Hey everybody, Dr. Langston here. Today I want to talk about a term you may have heard from your doctor for your kiddos called growing pains. Growing pain is kind of a general term. It just means they have some pain in their joints or their bones when they grow. But there are actually two very clinical conditions that we see a lot that are basically growing pains. So one, you may have heard of it before, called Osgood-Schlatter's disease. So here's your knee. I'm going to use my kinesio tape here to kind of mimic the patella tendon that goes over the top. And what happens as the joint grows, it pulls too tight. The tendon pulls too tight on the joint of the lower knee here, and it causes a tendonitis. It causes a pain. It can also cause like a bump. Some of you may, if you kind of go down and touch below your knee, you may even have a bump there at some point in time. Basically, what we want to do is we want to get the inflammation to go away here. We also want to get that muscle to help to lengthen part of that tendon there as the joint grows. The other one that's a big one that we see is we call Sever's disease. You may have heard of Sever's disease. So again, my tape is going to be part of the Achilles tendon, part of the plantar fascia. And what it does is it pulls right in through here on the heel bone, and it can actually separate it almost like an avulsion fracture. Again, very painful, very uncomfortable. It's just as the tibia bone grows, as the foot grows, the muscle and tendon just don't catch up. So what we do is get rid of the inflammation and swelling, help the heel where the avulsion is. We also help to lengthen where the tendon is. So if your kiddos have been dealing with plantar or patella tendonitis or Sever's disease, they're very treatable conditions. Sometimes doctors will want to give you like a heel cup for Sever's disease, which is fine. But what really happens with Sever's, with a heel cup, is all you're doing is you're just raising the heel up a little bit. So you're not really treating the problem, which is trying to lengthen the actual tendon. So if your kiddos are dealing with patella tendonitis or Osgood-Schlatter's disease or Sever's disease, just give us a call. We'd love to help.